Good morning, I'm Alessandro Bertesi, export manager of Sarmax. I'm here with my partner, Total Finishing Solution, to run a demonstration on our brusher. In this specific case, we want to show you the Huron Head is an abrasive belt running crosswise respect to the direction of the wood, and we replicate the bandsaw effect, leaving marks on the wood, same as the bandsaw effect does. The Huron Head, the Huron band here the speed can be changed by a variable drive speed. We can change the type of belt with a different grain so that we can achieve deeper or lighter marks on the wood. The setting is very simple. There is a hand wheel. We measure the thickness of the wood, and then according to the thickness of the wood, we position the head to the right height. Then we make one test. We see if we want to be more aggressive, we can reduce the height, and that's very simple. So now I'm going to run one piece for you, and it's always important to have also one brush combined with the Huron Head, the Tynex brush, because the Tynex brush will produce a finishing effect on the marks left by the Huron Head, removing some splinter or giving a finishing effect, which is very important. So now we will run two heads, the Huron Head and the Tynex head. This is the wood before the treatment. This is the result we can achieve. Obviously, the number of marks we can leave on the wood depends on the feeding speed. So in some cases, might be necessary to have two Huron head. For example, if we want to run drive speed of, I don't know, 30 foot per minute, we better use two head to replicate the marks and one very near to the next. Okay. So now we run another piece. Obviously, the straightness of the wood is very important, because if the wood is slightly irregular, obviously the marks will be not with the same effect than a straight piece of wood with the same thickness. So thank you. All these equipment and as well the flow coating equipment from Sarmax are available at Total Finishing Solution, always in stock for prompt delivery and or for demonstration as we did today. Thank you. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to replace the band in order to use a different type of grain to achieve a deeper or a lighter marking effect. So we can open the guard. And here, thanks to this wheel, I'm intentional. Okay. This grain is Z24, and we have available any type of grain. So, and it's also important to remind that the Huron head can be inclined plus minus 10 degrees so that we can get inclined marks, which is also a nice effect combined with a good flow coating finishing. We have just changed the belt and we move from a grain Z24 to a very aggressive grain Z12, which presumably will leave very deep marks on the wood. Let's see.